Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Isalukazi sendoda lesugogo bathini imbatha. Ngani zakwethu ngisekhona lana eMumbai sizosikisa okhiye kwelasendiya. Nasendiya ngani zakwethu kuyathwala baningi abantu abezalana bazothwala ngendlela ehlukahlukene. Ngithe manginekhehla lami lana sesixoxa kabanzi ngodaba lokuthi ubungozi bokuthwala ngenyoka efuna ukuthi ilale umuntu wesifazane. Ingakho you'll find a person ukuthi he's rich, uhlala in a big house and everything, but akaganiwe akanangane, and there's nothing that you know about that kind of a person ukuthi wenza ngani and everything. Then you fall in love with that person, nihlangana ematshwaleni, nihlangana endaweni ezimnandi, you fall in love with that person, and then that person takes you to the house. Indlu manifika kuyo athi yazini I'm busy with ama assignment umsebenzi, I have invoices to send and everything. Baby ungastress, ngicela ulale, I'll join you just now, I'm going downstairs, ngisawuphusha umsebenzi. Then you drunk, you fell in love, you don't see anything wrong with it, and then you just go with the flow. Baby ku right, anginankinga ngizobona ngawo umusubuyile. Muvuka ekseni uvuka uyimvithi, uyaqhaqhazela amathanga, uyitshela ukuthi kwaze kwamnandi, hayi kusebenzekile le ndoda engipheka kamnandi and everything, kanti kulelwe inyoka. How sad. Kanti kulelwe inyoka. Why? You don't know ngani zakwethu. You don't know the person. Nihlangana elokhuzaneni endaweni zobumnandi 3 months ago, and all these 3 months ulokhu akuzama njena, lokhu akunika nje imali, akuthengela amafoni in kanti uyazi wena une diary lo muntu lona ukuthi wena umnikelo walopho usuku throughout the years lo muntu lona usuke azi ukuthi nini ngomhla ka 20 inyoko yami izolala nobani, ngomhla ka bani inyoko yami izolala nobani, mhla ka bani inyoko yami izolala nobani, une list and everything. The more inyoka yakhe ijabula ukuthi ilala nabantu besifazane, the more ayenza ngakhona imali. So namhlanje ngani zakwethu ngizothi phisa abantu besifazane ukuthi ngani zakwethu take time to know him. Ngiyanicela ngani zakwethu take time to know him. Let's get to ama damages that this thing does elokhozaneni. 1, iyakulimaza esithweni sakho sangasese. Ibulala wonke ama walls ngaphakathi. Do you know how shocking it is that is happening uma uthiwa ulalwa inyoka? It means iyangena kuwena esimeni sangaphansi, iyangena kuwena besihlala la ngaphakathi, bese munca wonke ama juices akho lawa ngaphakathi. That's why ilokhuzana isikhathi esiningi kunabantu besifazane thola ukuthi isibeletho sakhe iwumpu sihlezi ivulekile. Ilokhuzana akahlali umuntu wesilisa, noma uthola iboyfriend entsha, iboyfriend ayihlali ngoba iboyfriend ithi mifika ithole icon kuyabheda, hayi into iboyfriend engayazi ukuthi izoyimaintaina ithini, athi uzama yonke indlela yokuthi ekujabulise kodwa ubona ukuthi kwayona iboyfriend ayenele, kwawena awenele umuntu wesifazane. Chaza ukuthi lento lesuke sikudamagile ama walls, and akuyona idamage ngani zakwethu elula ukuthi ilapheke. It's a damage edinga medical doctor first ukuthi bezame kube khona indlela if ikhona ukuthi bekulungise, and kufanele uthole abelaphi bendabuko abadila specifically on those damages, ukuthi kube nemithi abakunika yona ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi moyiphuzile ama walls akho ngaphakathi ezama ukubuya. Kodwa kungcono ukuba ukupreventa lokho ukuthi kwenzeke kunokuthi uzame i-cure yakhona. I-cure yakhona ngani zakwethu inzima. So it is very advisable ngani zakwethu ukuthi whatever we do ngani zakwethu, whatever we do as women, be careful out there ngani zakwethu. Moya ematshwaleni hamba nomngane, and ungathi masufika kumngane bese ufuna ukumcontrol umngane, hayi mngane lo ngiyambona u right lona akana stress and everything. Angeke umbone umuntu ngani zakwethu othwele akabhalwanga la ukuthi lo uthwele. They have a charm, they have a way of presenting themselves to you. They will tell you what they want you to hear only. And amehlo abo ayahypnotize ngani zakwethu, meaning ukuthi mawumbhekile engazathi akufuni engazathi ungaqalaza, engazathi ungabheka yena nje kuphela, uzizwa ubusekile, uzizwa lento. Kodwa uma ukwazi ukulalela umzimba wakho ngani zakwethu, uzwa kuba a very small vibration eqalayo ngaphakathi and everything, eqala esithweni sakho sangasese, yenyuka bese uyovala uyovala ama levels akho ukuthi ukwazi ukuyicabangela. Then you are now hypnotized. Whatever that you do from then, it's exactly what this person wants you to do. Now let's dance. You dance. Now sit down. You sit down. Now awufuna ukuya toilet uyochama. No. Ngicela utshela abangani bakho ukuthi you comfortable with me, akunankinga, uhamba nami, uyangazi inamba yami nginikile and everything. They even do fake business cards ngani zakwethu. So it's happening and everything. And most of them, the old man told me, most of them lento bayithatha eIndia. Iyatholakala eIndia because basebenzisa imimoya yabantu abangasekho. So you get confused. Even asakushela, asakuthatha out, asayenza into eziloko, you get confused, no? Uyakuncenga ube right and everything. Uzuphuphe ngisho uma wakho ongasekho ehleli naye. Athi hayi nangu Ntomzothi engena, hayi Ntomzothi nangu bathini bekaze kuwena, hayi kulungeleke bantwana bami. Then you confirm ukuthi hayi uyena nangu ngizengaphupha uma ehleli naye and everything, which means he's the one, umuntu wami lona, as in nabakithi bamthandile and everything, only to find out ngani zakwethu he is not the one. Uzolimaza, uzokudamage, umnikele wena, umhlabelo wenyoka yakhe lo muntu lo. Then that person gets richer and richer and richer and richer. Lastly, kukhona kunye ukuthwala ngani zakwethu, ngoba namhlanje ngani zakwethu sikhuluma ngobungozi bokuthwala nokuthwala okwahlukahlukene okuyizingozi. Kunokuthwala ngani zakwethu kweintuthwane. Intuthwane zakhona zinkulu kodwa ngani zakwethu zihlala la esithweni somuntu, esithweni sangasese somuntu wesilisa. Intuthwane zakhona they require a person to eat them. That's how severe these things are ngani zakwethu. That's why I'm asking you guys, be careful. Ngasikhathi leso abanye makabonto awukhona ukuhypnotizeka uze khombe ngesibhamu. Besides the fact ukuthi in South Africa I've read about these things long time ago and everything, I still hear about them. Others are just rumors, others are just myths ukuthi into engekho le. But njengoba sengizelana, njengoba ngenza le video lena ngiyenza ngoba ngithole mina umelaphi wendabuko othi Shandu kuyiqiniso kwenzeka. You know the good thing about iKhehleleli athi ngilibona ukuthi he is very fluent in isiZulu. Very fluent. Uhlele khona isikhathi eside. So akukho ukuthwala angeke angakwazi noma angeke aku-understand. Ngoba ukuthwala kufana ne-technology. Kuya-developa day in, day out. So ngani zakwethu uma uyothatha inyoka kumele lapha endabuko, ngoba ngeke phela nguvimbe uma wena uthanda inyoka ufuna ukuthwala ngenyoka. Please ask questions ngani zakwethu. Please ask umelaphi wendabuko ukuthi lento izongi-affecta kanjani, lento isebenza kanjani, lento lena iyenzani, lento ngifida ngani, ngeke yini lento ifuna ukungilala, ngeke yini lento ifuna ulalokuzana umakoti wami. Enye into ebuhlungu kuhamba umuntu oshadile ngani zakwethu. Ingakho ngicela ukuthi uma ushadile muyohamba uyothwala, hamba nomakoti wakho, hamba nendoda yakho, so that bazokwazi lokho. Kakhulukazi muyothatha inyoka, igroup is fine. Igroup most of the time they are very safe. Kuya ngokuthi obviously usithathe kubani. But inyoka, please ngani zakwethu, insist on asking questions. Izongisiza ngani, iyenzani, ingizongilapha ngani lento lena, izoyiletha kanjani imali lenyoka lena, idla ini lenyoka lena, ingangihlupha ngani mangathi isiyangihlupha, ngiyobona ngani ukuthi sizongihlupha lenyoka lena. Inyoka ke ziyahlukana ngani zakwethu. Kunenyoka njena ezifuna ukuthi uyifide nje amagundane, kunenyoka ezidla inkukhu, kunenyoka ezidla imbuzi, depending with the size of inyoka. But because of our policies, our YouTube, I'm not allowed to display inyoka izinto for sensitive viewers. But if that was not the case, I was going to show you this next. This is the one, this is the one. But you can search a video titled Kwasuka Sukela, uthi nje Kwasuka Sukela, and then bese uthi Gogo Bathini Mbatha. There's a video that I've done with one of the radio stations in South Africa, yes, a KZN, sorry, TV station. So ngani zakwethu, that's it for me. Ugogo Bathini Mbatha, sarukwa sendoda, uma vula kuvala emzini amanye amadoda, uLocksmith uqobo. Ngani zakwethu, I'm very excited, I'm very happy to be lana eLhuzana. Please ngani zakwethu, ake sihlebe ngani zakwethu. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please ngani zakwethu, make sure ukuthi you tell others about uGogo Bathini Mbatha, you tell others about umsebenzi kaGogo Bathini Mbatha. Nawe ukwasizakala uGogo Bathini Mbatha, tell others ukuthi mina ngikwazile ukusizakala uGogo Mbatha. Uma ungakasizakala uGogo Mbatha, tetela igazi, ngicela ungibekezelele, ngiyeza nakuwena. Ngani zakwethu 083 533 9183. Please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to like and to share the button, that share button, so that everybody else can be able to see ukuthi wena uyazana noGogo Bathini Mbatha. Maluju.